Okay, so this is just a test to see if a amber emergency light, which the laws in Virginia for federally licensed amateur radio operators operating in emergency communications scenarios or participating in exercises or practice for the provision thereof, or will be permitted to have have amber flashing lights, blinking lights, rotating emergency lights installed on their vehicles. So, while I think this is mostly a silly thing, I can also see its utility. This is a Star Warning Systems 1166HM. So that's model 1166 halogen magnetic mount. Teardrop light or Kojack light. We've got the mobile tuned to a distant paging frequency. I was going to use the radio frequencies, but the band seems to be kind of open, so they're all busy. So let's just see if the noise level increases subjectively when I flip this thing on. I can't tell any difference. I imagine with amplitude modulated systems, SSB, regular old AM, 11 meter equipment, which is mostly AM with some SSB and some FM, interference might be an issue. Especially when everything's plugged into the same electrical system, the same DC source. In this case, it's the cigarette lighter plug, which is what this light is designed for, or how this light is designed. Got the eye protection hood installed on there, so it can go up on the dash. I'm not going to do that though. I'm not going to keep it there. I'm not that guy. I'm going to do some more testing on this another time. Some AM based equipment, some HF gear, 11 meter gear, and so on. See what kind of noise it makes on an AM receiver. It's not surprising that an FM receiver is going to, geez, the thing is bright. It's a 50 watt see, it's just not that even possible to drive like that? But that's with the hood. It's got a motor, so I'm imagining that there's some RF I being generated in there. Yeah, that is just blinding. Actually, yeah, I'll show you this. So this is the light on. I'm going to turn the engine off and watch the speed drop on the motor as the voltage drop. Yep. And it draws some power, as to be expected with the you know, the fact that it's got a 50-watt halogen bulb, and I think it's 170 flashes per minute, so 170 revolutions per minute. But there you have it. Classic teardrop light, Kojack lamp. And that's just the you know, magnetic mount for the dash there. This is the real deal. It's not a cheap Chinese one. It's actually made of glass and metal. Let me see where it says. Yep, there you go. Star Signal 1166HM, 12 volts DC at 4 amps.